Hi guys, it has been forever since I have filmed a YouTube video. Gosh, it's been years. I'm so excited to come on and share something that is super personal to me, but also something that I wanted to share with you guys, just because if you haven't read by the title of this video, something that's been affecting me this past year, and I finally found something that has worked for me and I wanted to share it with you guys. So obviously by the title of this video, you guys have probably all heard of what TMJ is. So story time, grab your guys' favorite drink or coffee or snacks because it's gonna take a little bit to explain, but I just kind of want to give you guys some background on kind of what I've experienced with TMJ and jaw clenching, and how and what has worked for me, and hopefully provide some answers for you guys who are also struggling with the same issue. So I got my wisdom teeth out about a year and a half ago and was just experiencing a lot of jaw pain after my my wisdom tooth removal. Was just a complete horror story. You guys, I don't even want to go that route, but it was very traumatic. I had my wisdom teeth removed, and then right after I had a lot of clotting problems, and I had infections that would just keep coming on, and it was just not good. So I just had non-stop issues for the past year and a half of just jaw pain after getting my wisdom teeth out. So I don't know if there was something that happened in the process, but basically I went down to school after I'd gotten my wisdom teeth out. So this was the fall or winter of 2020. Went for my first semester on campus at school, and I had experienced also while I was there just a lot of infections. I can put some pictures for you guys. It was not good. I actually ended up finding out like the second or third month I was just getting sick a lot and kept getting like these really swollen cheeks and couldn't figure out what the problem was. So I finally went to an oral surgeon down in Virginia, and they told me that I have like an osteomyelitis down in the bone of my jaw where the wisdom tooth was removed, and that they needed to go in and like get this infection removed, or some pieces or leftover something, basically like suck out what was in there. It's really gross, I know. I'll spare you guys the details. So yeah, just after like so much work done in my mouth over the past year and a half, fall of 2021, I was experiencing a lot of jaw clenching, and I couldn't figure out what the problem was. Like, I didn't know if it had to do with stress or, you know, just environmental factors. I don't really know. I couldn't figure out what the root issue was, and I was getting really frustrated. So I went to my dentist and I was like, look, I had my wisdom teeth out. Ever since then, I've had nothing but issues. Like, what can you do? And she was like, we will give you a bite guard. And I was like, okay. So she gives me this bite guard, and you know, they fit it to your mouth and they, you know, say that it's gonna take this clenching away. I'm using this and I feel like it's making it worse. Like, progressively it's getting worse. And I'm just like, you've got to be kidding me. Like, I am waking up in pain, like just having to like take pain relievers, which I'm not for. And so it was just like super frustrating. Couldn't figure out what the problem was. Ended up leaving for Hawaii fall of 2021 as well. And so I was just like, okay, like, if this bite guard doesn't work, which she said, like, if it doesn't work, come back and we'll try something else. And so she actually ended up mentioning that I should try Botox, and I was really hesitant because I've always heard like negative things towards it around, you know, young people getting Botox. And so I was definitely really nervous and like didn't know what to think. But then I got in contact with Dr. Kelsey from Wellness Co. and in Grand Rapids. She is amazing. So any of you local Michigan people, definitely reach out to her. She just has such a wealth of knowledge when it comes to your face, and yeah, just doing any sort of fillers or Botox or anything like that. She's just so educated in all different areas, but specifically I just really trusted her after talking to her about my experience and what I've had to go through in the past year and a half of just time and time again clenching, and people would notice like, why do you clench your jaw? And I was like, I don't know that I'm necessarily doing it, but I keep waking up with a sore jaw or in the night. And so it was just really getting frustrating. And so I was feeling like I was out of options, and decided to give Botox a try. And so yeah, I basically went into my appointment. I don't know if you guys saw, but just a little while ago I posted that I was there, and I went into my appointment, and like I said, Dr. Kelsey just made me feel so welcome. They had amazing coffee when I first walked in, and they just made me feel like super comfortable. And then I walked in and we had a consultation, and she said, you know, here are a couple things that I'm going to recommend for you for clenching and headaches and TMJ and all of that. She also like felt the muscles, and they were huge. So she recommended that I needed Botox in my jaw, and not gonna lie, I was definitely kind of scared of just the whole process and kind of what it stood for. Like I said, I was like, oh my gosh, like only old people get Botox. But since I was out of options and my dentist was like, hey, like this could be a potential route that you could take, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it. Like if this is what it's gonna have to be, like I'm just gonna do it. And so like I said, she just kind of mapped out on my face where I needed it, and then she was able to insert the needle, which was not big at all. I was like super like, I don't know, I was just used to like being in the dentist office, and like so many times over the past year and a half, like I said, I've just been used to like all their numbing and like huge needles, and it makes me just cringe. But they were like just little tiny needles, and she made me feel so comfortable. She was like pinch, 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 and inserted the needle into my face. And yeah, so it was crazy because post-care I was like worried about bruising and stuff like that, and she's like, it's not very common. Like she only said that about 10% or less of her patients bruise, and so I think that's what she said. Correct me if I'm wrong, Kelsey. Yeah, so I didn't experience any bruising, which I was super thankful for that as well. And I'll post some before and afters for you guys of like the whole process and kind of like what I did. I'm definitely going to be going back, and so I will share some more in-office experience with you guys too, because I know that kind of helps, especially for my local Michigan girls. If you guys are interested in just relieving any TMJ or jaw problems that just won't go away and are being stubborn, definitely go to Dr. Kelsey at Wellness Co. I just can't even explain, and want to thank Kelsey for welcoming me into her office and her whole team for taking such good care of me, and just the way that they walked me through the entire process, and overall how the results turned out too. I'm just so confident in the fact that this is such a natural look. It wasn't something that was going to crazy alter my appearance. That's not what I was going for at all. And I just said I want to be as natural as possible, but I do know that this is going to basically, it relieves the muscles in your jaw or like paralyzes them in a way. I don't know of a better word for that other than it just like kind of releases the muscles, so I'm not as likely and prone to clench. I will tell you guys too, like right after the treatment I felt like my jaw pain was gone. I was like, no way. I was eating lunch, and I was like, what in the world? Like my jaw pain, I can't believe it. Like it's gone. And so I immediately called up Dr. Kelsey and was just like, thank you so much for just the way that she walked me through that entire process and made me feel comfortable, and just for the results. Like I'm so thankful that there are different avenues out there, and I just wanted this video to kind of be something that you guys could take too, of if there's something that you know you're dealing with, whether it's TMJ or areas of your life that you want to pursue Botox. I would definitely recommend that you use Dr. Kelsey and Wellness Co. out in Grand Rapids. They are just actually they're in Zeeland, I believe. I want to get I'll put their like address and location here, but local to Grand Rapids, the Michigan area. It's all kind of close, and I'm just so thankful and wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys have any questions or just any concerns or anything and you want to reach out to me, definitely do so, and I can shoot those either to Dr. Kelsey or I can try to answer them to the best of my abilities. Obviously, I'm kind of new when it comes to this whole process, but I did want to kind of open that floor for you guys to ask questions, or guys along with this TMJ journey of my jaw, no longer clenching. And so huge shout out to Wellness Co. for sponsoring this video. You guys are incredible, and looking forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.